Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Audi A4 Allroad in Mythos Black with a gorgeous black leather interior. This premium station wagon has just over 17,000 miles on it. It has 18-inch wheels, 261 horsepower. This is all-wheel drive, and that Audi Quattro system is absolutely legendary. This thing is a snow puma. There are integrated roof rails, so you can put some bike racks, ski racks up there. It has a power lift gate. It has the Premium Plus package, which gives you the top-down view camera, which is great for parking. Gives you the active lane assist and adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, which is a really cool feature. I love those taillights, plenty of space in the back here, luggage covers. Giant sunroof. It does have keyless entry. And it has this cool feature. You can't see it right now, it's too bright out, but when you open the door at night, you get the Audi rings right there on the ground. It's just a really cool feature. These seats are beautiful. Very comfortable. Natural wood grain trim. There's navigation. Your ignition switch is right here. I love the sound of the buttons. All of the buttons make this sweet little clicking sound, and it even continues up to the touch screen. You have navigation, and it's voice control if you like.
Please say a search term.
Beach.
Searching for destinations. One moment, please.
Let's go. There are paddle shifters. It has a heated steering wheel. There's power up front by your cup holders. Wireless phone charger with another outlet over there. Lots of efficiency options. This is a beautiful Audi A4. If you are looking for a sweet station wagon, this is stock number 6249B. There's a link in the description box below with all the details. Check us out on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Schedule your test drive, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.